Hi there. I'm doing a video of Lovers Kittens. They are so cute. We've named them. We've named them after Pokemon characters. So the little boy with the blue collar, his name is Price. The little boy with the green collar, his name is Ash. This little guy right here with the purple collar, his name is Brock. And then the little girl, her name is Maylene. Oh, there she is. Hi, Maylene. So we've been having a little trouble with Lover moving her kittens all over the bedroom. And little by little, she just chooses a new spot almost every day to nurse them and just hide them. So it's kind of typical for her in the first week, but not so typical for her to do that when they're about 3 weeks old. So we've allowed her to do it. We don't use cages. We want to make mom comfortable, so whatever she chooses, we go with. There's nothing in this room that's dangerous or that they can get into. So they are thriving and gaining loads of weight every day, so we're not worried about it. Good job, Mama. You coming over here? Are you coming over here to see me? This is a little lilac point male. I'm rubbing my fingers together so that they look up. Yeah, there you go, pretty guy. Good job. The other ones are busy nursing. This little one here is Maylene. This is the little girl. I'm working with a breeder in Oklahoma who may be getting this little girl, but we're not sure yet. In order to give somebody a breeding female, it has to meet a lot of perfect standards. Health, number one. Eye color, size, pedigree, demeanor and temperament. So there's a lot of factors in play when a breeder contacts me for a girl. Hi, cutie. This is another boy here in the front. Yes, hi. We have 3 lilacs and a blue point. Maylene. Hi, Maylene. Oh, you guys might get to see a bar fight. A lot of times they'll fight because they want certain nipples, and they don't give up. They really fight with each other and push each other off if they're on the wrong nipples. Excuse me, I'm gonna get up. I'm laying down right now. By this age, they've typically picked out which nipples they want to use, but when they're little, like Tiger's kitten's age, the fights are pretty bad. Sometimes one even misses out because they're so stubborn on getting that particular nipple that they'll let it go until the next feeding and they won't eat. They're very stubborn. Here, Mama, put your leg up. There you go, Mama. Yes, good job, Mama. There you go. Aileen, I'm gonna put you where you belong. Here you go, baby. There you go. Well, this video's gotten pretty long. I hope Facebook will let me post it, but I'm gonna go ahead now and hope everybody's doing well. Can't wait for you to meet these kittens.